All right, we got the knuckle. We have the front subframe, a little bit bent on some of the trim pieces, but Alex said it shouldn't be an issue. And then the door, have to paint it anyway, so silver's fine. Alex, thanks again, buddy. Appreciate it, man.
You got it, Lacey Parts.
Thanks,
Come
man.
see us.
We will. So they tore some of the stuff off to check what I need for it to be fixed. But I don't think it's all that bad. I think the suspension's okay, the strut, but I'm gonna replace it anyway. The wheel definitely needs to go, but I think the brake rotor and the pad can be salvaged, so that way it'll still be even on the other side. There we go. Same tag. Look at that. Thank you, bud. Yeah. So my buddy Z here, he saved the day. Piero's here as well. Finally got the bumper and the new replica wheel. Hope it's the same style of replica wheel, but should be all we need. Thanks again, Z. Appreciate it, man.
Sure, no problem.
Be in touch. Thanks.
All right. But we're able to use the bumper because it was just going to be sitting. So.
I appreciate it, man. I mean, the car's seen better days, but keeping one more on the road helps. What do you think?
Yeah, good idea. Hopefully it'll be right as new when you get it back.
They did it once. I think they'll do it again, but yeah, buddy, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
So here you are. The passenger fender was taken off mostly just to check for body and frame damage there, but from what I can see, it looks pretty straight, and Piero agreed. Piero's brother, Nick, is going to be giving me his old fenders because he's going for a wide body kit. And yeah, repaint, wait for the check from the insurance, and take care of the rest. Hopefully the kid will help out a little bit too this week. So Maryland inspection, and then paint, and then the suspension.
Yeah, when are you getting the rack and pinion and the steering column?
Oh, that should be here Monday or Tuesday. I forgot about that.
Okay. UPS?
I believe so. UPS freight, yeah.
Okay. So once we have that, we should be able to take it out. Maybe 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let you know though. I'll keep you updated. I'll take pictures and everything so that you can have some footage.
Video is good too, but make sure you hold it sideways.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Piero.
Right.
Appreciate it, buddy. Just barely fitted in a 3 Series. Look at that. Oof. So also just a quick walk around. That's the steering rack and column. Those were $360 together, shipped from A Solution Auto Parts. My friend Z gave me his old AP1 bumper. Sold that to me for $200, which is a pretty good price. And they're already working on the repaint. You can see here, the frame is untouched, thankfully. Wheel as well. I am going to replace the front tires at least so that they match, but the other tire popped. And the fender liner should be okay. Headlights look all right, and the lower engine cover looks pretty good as well. I guess they pulled that one out a little bit when they did the fender, but hopefully that's okay. The headlight mounts, yeah, the wheel, tire popped, but front assembly looks okay. And over here you'll see the doors obviously off, but thankfully no damage at all to that rocker panel. A little scuff right there maybe, but that shouldn't be a big deal at all. And yeah, from there back the car looks pretty good. Interior still looks good too. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Got the clock spring there too they got to do, but that was before the accident. They needed to do that, but let me know if you have any questions. Please leave them below. So yeah, the door is on. I thought they'd paint it after, but maybe they were just test fitting it, make sure everything looks okay. But yeah, it's on. Front fenders are here, and they have the final deposit, so just a matter of time. Guess it's always darkest before the dawn as far as the way it looks, but nah, these guys are good. They're gonna take care of me, and I'd say it'll be up and running in no time. Here it is, looks great. We are at Piero's shop. The front bumper from Z is on and it looks great. I realized that I probably could have gotten a new bumper, but hey, helped Z out a little bit. That's still a little bit off, which weird, but that's, yeah. Oh, the tire's flat. That's weird. And I have side looking great, but I guess Pierre wants me to see it when it's ready. But otherwise, yeah, not too bad. Just a little dirty. I just see the alignment with the Continental Pro contacts, but hey, he's got to buff it still, but almost done. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching and thank you for your patience. The AP1's back. I've been driving it all of this week so far. It's been great, runs great. Only problem is that front right tire is defective. They're going to replace it. Piero said that the company's going to replace it. And also the steering kind of pulls to the right when you brake just a little bit. And the steering feels easier to turn right rather than turning left. So that could be a few things. The EPS reset, the steering reset, could just need to have the torque sensor re-greased or replaced from my old steering rack. It might just be because the upper control arm and the tie rod are new on the right side versus used on the left. And it could even be because, hopefully not, but maybe another bend, or the front wheel being new. Maybe it was a different manufacturer than the other aftermarket AP2 wheels that I have. So there's a few things that it could be, but hopefully that'll all be taken care of. Piero did say it's safe to drive now. I will get that tire replaced. That's the only reason I haven't included the walk around and drive just yet. But things are on the up and up. The GoFundMe donations and the Cash App donations really helped me out. I was just by the skin of my teeth able to afford everything, and thank you guys very much for that. The kid who drove and caused the accident, he initially claimed repeatedly that he's going to take care of the damage and pay for it and he's going to make it right. But then he sent me an angry text saying he's not going to do anything and that I can basically, you know, shove it, which is pretty terrible. And then his insurance contacted me to tell me to not contact him again, even though I wasn't threatening or rude in any way. I just asked for an update. So that kid's a liar. And the motorcyclist is out of physical therapy. He's finished his term in physical therapy, and he has not sent a demand to my insurance just yet, which is good. Which means that he's building his case. It means that he's going to get the right settlement from both my insurance and his, and he'll be fully taken care of. Again, I wish this had never happened, but he is finally being taken care of and treated right. The kid lied, and a few little things. The steering rack, they only replaced the second half, so they're going to replace the upper part, the clock spring, and then one more ABS sensor, and I will be completely done. That and the interior plastic, which nobody seems to want to touch, up behind the seats here. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. All your support is very helpful. And if you can share, like, subscribe, that also helps. And if not, I would just appreciate maybe leaving me a comment and a suggestion of what I should do next, because other than the final drive and walk around, I'd like to see what you guys want me to do. I'm thinking about doing something called vehicle rants, where I rant about the 400Z, the new Supra, stuff like that. Maybe review a GTR or some other built S2000s, but you let me know. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next one.